Join us at the Bel Air Mansion for a History in Your Backyard lecture, recovering the African American burial grounds at Sacred Heart. The church discovered hundreds of unmarked burials on its land, many of which are believed to belong to enslaved people. Kevin Porter of the White Marsh Historical Society will discuss the recovery and protection of African American cemeteries.
If you didn't know, at one time that land was part of a Jesuit plantation. And it has been over the last year and a half that the grave sites have been rediscovered, and members of the community, including some of the descendant family members, have been working closely with the church and the Archdiocese of Washington to rediscover and document these grave sites. So join us with the president of the White Marsh Historical Society, Mr. Kevin Porter, as he discusses what they have found and how this is playing into the role across the country of rediscovering and saving African American cemeteries.
The event takes place on Saturday, March the 23rd at 2 p.m. at the Bel Air Mansion.